This washing machine from Smeg is perfect if you want an excellent model with intelligent technology that takes extra special care of fabrics. It has an A+ energy rating, a 1200 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 7-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. The Wool Cycle is a gentle program that will wash your woolens carefully with the simple twist of a dial. The cycle uses a lower temperature and a gentle drum motion to clean your fabrics while giving you the optimum results. So you can guarantee your favourite woolly jumper will stay looking newer for longer. This model's Flexitime option lets you speed up your program so you can get your laundry back quicker. At the touch of a button, it interrupts your program and reduces the time left on the cycle to suit your needs. This means it's a brilliant option to use if you suddenly find yourself short on time. So, if you're looking for an excellent model that takes extra special care of fabrics and has intelligent technology, this washing machine from Smeg is perfect for you.